Hello, in this lesson we will learn how to use the M files or Matlab files. Previously you have seen how to write our commands in command window. So instead of writing line and executing each line separately, we can write all our code at one file and execute once. Now we go to a new script here in this side and starting a new Matlab script or new Matlab code. Now in this window we can write our Matlab code, all our Matlab code, and execute by clicking on the run command. So now before we start, I like to dock this window. Now we have from this menu to dock this window together with the main Matlab frame. I can click on dock window. So I have this is the editor or where I can write the Matlab codes. Now we can start, for example, CLC semicolon. I recommend putting semicolon after each command to prevent showing in the command window. I can also like to have clear all to clear all previously stored values or variables in Matlab environment. Now, for example, as we have seen before, maybe I want to define some variable from -4 and each one separated 0.01 to 4. For example, this is the x-axis. Now if I want to draw, for example, a figure for the normal distribution probability distribution function or the PDF of normal distribution, I can say y equal, we have the Matlab code or the Matlab function norm PDF. So for norm PDF we have the x values, which is x. For example, we have a mu and sigma. For the standard normal distribution we have the mu of 0 or the mean value. Also we have sigma of 1 or standard deviation of 1 for the standard normal distribution. Now to plot or to have the figure, we have the command plot. In the x-axis we have x, in the y-axis we have the PDF of y. For y-axis we have the PDF of normal distribution. Usually a good practice is to have the grid to get more close to the command. Now when I want to run all this command together, now I have written all this command in one file. I need to run, but before running I should save this file. I can save, for example, this file as intro and save. Okay, now using this method, using M files, I write all the Matlab code and execute at one instance. So I have executed, and this is my standard normal distribution from -4 to 4. These are the stored values for my variables, which are x and y. Now suppose I want also to graph in the same figure. I will write hold on if I need to draw a new graph in the same figure. For example, I want to graph the area under the curve from, this is the standard normal distribution. Suppose now I want to have the area under the curve from 1 to 4. Okay, I will have the air command called area. So the command called area, we have from 1 to 4 in the x-axis. In the y-axis we have norm PDF from 1 to 4. Okay, I can execute again. Here we have comma. So now I have the area under the curve from 1 to 4. In fact, to enhance, maybe this way is too much complicated. I will say we have a new variable called, for example, x2 from 1, and also I need small separation to have more accuracy, more resolution, to 4. From 1 to 4 and separated each division 1%. I can say y2 equals norm BDF, which is the BDF of normal distribution of x2, and we have the standard normal distribution 0 mean and 1 for sigma. Now I can draw in as area for x2 and y2. I can now run again. Yes. So now I have better resolution. So for the first graph is the standard normal distribution from -4 to 4. The second graph is also the area. Now when I write area, I have this area to be shaded, all area to be shaded. From 1, I started from, for x2, started from 1 to 4, and y2 is the normal distribution, which is the same as the previous one. I can also enhance this graph from the pointer. I can click on the area, I can have right click, I can also change the face color, for example this one to be red.